How well are we paying attention? Are we even properly trained to do this? Are we doing a daily hazard analysis? Or when the task changes? Well, if the answer is no, you ever wonder why safety people are always after you about overhead power lines and boom lifts and staying away from them? Well, it's a very good reason to stay 10 feet away. In fact, we're going to show you two. But don't take our word for it. Now what? Yeah, panic destroys common sense. I wonder what he's thinking right now. Well, more importantly, I'd like to know what was going through his head when he decided to drive the bucket of that lift into an overhead power line. Was he thinking, hey, if I live through this, I'm going to become a safety leader. I'm going to go back to school and become an expert? Or is he just going to hope to find a spot to get some new underwear on the way home? Now, you may be thinking to yourself, how can this video be so blasé? Those people must have been terrified. Yeah, they were. Now, you may not believe this, but people actually bring hazards to the job site from the home or office. And these are faulty and damaged tools and equipment. I mean, it's one thing to accidentally grab the wrong cord and throw it in your bag, but these get unloaded, plugged in, right into service without a second thought. Be very careful when you're doing your hazard recognition and you're doing your job walk to make sure everything's safe around you. This stuff can be anywhere. I mean, even equipment that's in perfectly good shape can be turned into a hazard. Really, be careful. Keep your eyes open. And I hate to tell you, all of these were found within a span of 1 week. Remember, we all need to look out for one another on a job site. Don't be afraid to approach somebody if it may save that person's life. Oh, and one last thing. If you do need to approach someone, ensure that you do it with professional courtesy and respect. Well, we got one more ingredient in this nasty little soup. And that is a poor safety attitude. Now, I do not know what possessed this gentleman to want to walk into that area, do what he's doing with absolutely no personal protective equipment. There is no such thing as managerial invincibility, as you can plainly see.